Alex and Jamie were ordinary college students, navigating the ups and downs of academic life when a chance encounter with cryptocurrency changed everything. The vibrant world of digital currencies drew them in, transforming their modest savings into millions as they immersed themselves in online courses and seminars. This newfound knowledge and success ignited in them a passion for investing, compelling them to seize every opportunity that crossed their path. Each day bled into the next as they carefully devised their investment strategies, united by a common goal of financial independence. Their determination grew alongside their profits, and soon their diligent efforts turned them not just into millionaires, but also into a beacon of inspiration for those around them. Friends gathered in celebration, amazed by their achievements, recognizing the vision and tenacity driving their remarkable journey. With their newfound wealth, Alex and Jamie embraced a sense of responsibility, becoming mentors for aspiring investors through workshops at their university. Their charity, rooted in blockchain technology, sought to make a tangible difference in their community, exhibiting transparency and impact. As they harnessed local support, their projects began to flourish, and they drew attention and accolades, including a prestigious award at a charity gala. The joy reflected in the faces of those they helped invigorated their passion, pushing them to further develop ambitious plans to extend their charity's reach. With a clear mission to uplift underserved communities through technology, Alex and Jamie continued to transform lives, crafting a legacy that inspired hope and change.